twins who serve as Alexandra's bodyguards and are collectively known as the Combo Twins. Captain Bo Guerrero is the captain of Percento 13. In the main Trese series, he is known to call for Alexandra Trese's help with cases involving the supernatural. Hank has been shown to be helping the Trese family ever since Alexandra's childhood. He served as a cook for the family during this time. Anton is a medium-built man with black hair and a very pronounced widow's peak. Miranda Melinda Trese was one of the 7 seers and the mother of Alexandra Trese and her siblings. A healer warrior who serves as a protector of humanity from supernatural beings from the underworld.